What's up, my loves, and welcome back to another video. So if you like how I came up with this really cute kitty Halloween tutorial, just keep watching. So I'm going to start with my Smashbox photo filter photo finish primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. I did do my brows off camera, so now I'm just going in with this like nudish brown shade. I'm going to use that as my transition, and then I'm going to go in with this like dark purple color, and I'm going to use that to deepen my crease. For this look, I am going for more of a nudish type eye, but I wanted to give it some shimmer, a little pop, so I put the brown with the purple just to give it some, On the lid of my eye, I'm just going in with another brownish like shimmer type shade, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid to give it again a more of a natural look. So here is one of my eyes done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I did like a little cat wing liner on my eyes, and I'm just touching that up a little bit, and then I'm going to move right into my concealer underneath my eye, and I'm using the Maybelline concealer. This color is a little lighter for my skin, so I typically use this underneath my foundation just to give it a more highlighted look instead of on top, because it can make me look a little ashy. So one, I have to make sure I blend it out really well, and then two, I put it underneath my foundation to give me like this subtle highlight that I'm looking for. And while I'm doing this, my brush is kind of damp just to get that product to like move smoother around on my skin. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your makeup with brushes instead of sponges as well. So the foundation that I'm using today is my go-to MAC Photo Finish waterproof foundation. This is my everyday, my go-to, like I'm macking it out. So I'm just using this, and I'm sorry my camera died, so I am going to do my foundation and my contour off camera. And the kit that I'm using for my highlight and my contour is the Black Radiance kit. And I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And just, get that real sharp, get that cheekbone in action, sis. So now it's time to move on to the fun part. I'm just taking my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. This is what I'm going to use to draw in my cat nose. And right now I'm just outlining how I want that nose to look. And you can see me just draw it in, and I'm going to outline it first, and then I'm just going to fill it in with that same eyeliner. Again, this is a quick and simple tutorial, guys. So then I'm going to connect the black that I just put on my nose, and I'm going to like pull that down my lip line. And then I'll also use that to cover my top lip. So as you can see, I'm just like kind of filling in where your lip kind of curves between your nose and your lip. So I'm just filling that in. Now I'm just going to go in and mark where I want my whiskers, or yeah, where I want my whiskers to start. I'm just going to mark that on my face. And then I'm going to go in with the liquid eyeliner and go ahead and precisely and very slowly, I might add, go ahead and draw in those whiskers. And of course, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just repeating these same steps on the opposite side of the face. And now I'm just starting on my lip, and I'm going to use a pencil liner and outline just my top lip in black liner. You guys, I'm so sad that my black eyeliner got ran over and I don't have it for this video. So I'm actually just going to take this like deep berry purple color that I have in a liquid lip liner, and I'm going to put this on top of that black liner just to bring that black out a little bit, and it ties into that purple that we put in our eyeshadow. So
Cavalier. Diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my record. Since 16, I'm coming down right Lexus. How you gonna clean this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got so loud, Craig. What about my body, body? What about my body, body? I'm in the house all alone, you rather go party. What about my body, body? You don't want my body, body? I got like a nobody, you don't make me cost that.
for my bottom lip, I'm just going to go in with like this nudish orange. It's like an oranges peachy color. And I'm going to use that on my bottom lip to give it more of a like pinkish kitty like look or whatever. And then I'm going to go back and fill in those whiskers on my face. So that's what I'm doing here. And then you can't forget your mascara, guys, just to give your eyes a little bit more of a pop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my mascara at the end. And you guys, that's pretty much it for this really simple kitty makeup tutorial. Just go ahead and add your kitty ears if you have some, or you know, a little cute little choker. You always need a black bodysuit on hand because you never know when they'll come in handy. Like, you just never know. So go ahead and do that. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. As always, my loves, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.